Hi, I'm Marlin with the Strap Warehouse. Riveting is another way to make a waist belt. Today I'll show you how to rivet the new biothane leather weight material using a 5/16 nickel-plated tubular rivet. If you already have a handyman and want to make belts, the only thing you need to add to your handyman, if you already have the self-centering guide, you will need an end punch for the right size, either 1.5" or 1.25". Today I'll be using an oval punch. It looks nicer on the belts, I think. You could also use a number 12 punch, and you'll need a slot punch, which you can see I already made some, and of course the riveter. So first we'll make our slot punch. When we're using tubular rivets, we do not need to punch holes for the rivets, so we take this off and we'll put the riveter attachment on. So now that we have our slot made and we have our spots for riveting set, the first thing we want to do is put the beta keeper on, and you want to make sure that the staples that are used to make the keeper are going to be down. They're going to be in here where no one will see them. Put your buckle on. It's as easy as this. And now we're ready to do some riveting. Take a rivet cap. Now here's a little bit of a pro tip. To get your rivet right where you want it, you can push it down through like that. You can see I got that rivet right where it should be. There's the first one. There you have the buckle end completed. Now we're ready to do the strap end. So we'll take this off. So we've attached the self-centering guide to the handyman, and now we're going to cut radius end, but first we have to turn it the right way. We would be cutting backwards. Now when you do this with a handyman, it's always good to leave it loose so that you can, with my hand, leave it loose so that you can turn it, and then you bring it down and you look at it. It's best to look at it from the back. Make sure that you can get that in there exactly where you need it, and then you tighten it up. And now you're ready to punch a radius end. Now, this part you won't put on because my self-centering guide is so worn that I can move it back and forth like this. You're not supposed to be able to do that, but mine's about worn to a frazzle because I have done so much of this with it. Normally you set it up and you use it and it just stays, but this thing's worn to the point where now once you have that tightened up, you just punch your radius end. that. Perfectly cut. Now we mark where we want our adjustment holes using our template. And I like to put 5 holes in. You can put as many in as you want. But if you use this template, you put in 3 and then you use this first one as your marker. Get them exactly the same length or same distance apart. Now we're ready to switch from the end punch to the oval punch. Right here's the oval punch. Now the oval punch, because it's an oval, you have to make sure that you have it coming down perfectly on your self-centering guide, so it's good to take a scrap to get it centered. Take a scrap, punch some holes, and get it centered. Okay, so now you put your belt blank in. You've got your oval punch set. Got your holes marked. Punch a hole. Pull through to the next one. You can also use your marker for this if you prefer. And there you have your adjustment end. Well, I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching. I'm Marlin with the Strap Warehouse. And remember, better is possible.